Today's full weather forecast is brought to you by Healing Hands Massage in Hamden, providing professional massage services tailored specifically for their clients. Stop by Healing Hands Massage today. You'll thank yourself later. We have a lot going on here. We have winter storm warnings that are posted for a good part of the viewing area. In fact, most of the state, though, lasting until 8 a.m. Wednesday morning because of significant snow accumulations that will be expected. So it's going to be a mess out there with this system. We also have some wind alerts posted, high wind warnings, wind advisories lasting through Wednesday afternoon at around 1 p.m. and also some more alerts. We have winter weather advisories along the coast, some coastal flood alerts also posted in this little shade of green here, and also flood watches up. This right here in this little color here is a hurricane force wind warning and also some storm warnings in effect along the coast. So we have a lot going on now with the strong winds, the wind stream mix, and the snowfall that will be moving in. It's kind of the calm before the storm for now. 2 to 3 foot wave heights being reported by the buoys, but expect us to get really busy coming up soon with our next active weather maker moving in. So again, the calm before the storm, clouds are moving in now. They'll be moving in from the west to the east throughout the daytime period today. This is big system being indicated right about here. We'll be tracking from the west and going toward the east. There's rain and snow across the northern parts of the storm system and the southeastern parts. Showers and storms, even some severe thunderstorms in the southern parts of the U.S. too. But for us, we'll just have to watch for the rainfall and the snow that will be moving in. So Futurecast watching this same movie again by later on tonight at parts of early Wednesday morning. Notice these tight isobars here indicating those strong gusty winds as well. We'll switch over to rain as we head towards Wednesday morning and continuing through the afternoon period as well. By the time we head towards Wednesday night to Thursday morning, the system gets out of here. Another wave possible Thursday night to Friday morning. But notice, though, we kind of stay quiet once we get this big system out of here by that point. So here's the big issue, though, that we're watching. Snowfall on the way. Some spots widely around 3 to 6 inches of snow before we're all finished up. Higher totals to the north, 8 to 12 inches. Locally higher amounts of 13 to 14 inches cannot be ruled out. So there's a lot of snow on the way for the northern parts of the state and some on the way for the southern parts of the state as well, which has prompted those winter storm warnings. And of course, the water on the way too with the snow and of course the rainfall too. This takes into account that snowfall up around 1 to 2 inches of rain before we're all finished up, or just any kind of water. So there's a lot of water on the way before the same begins to get out of here. As for the gusty winds, not a big deal for us today, but later on tonight and tomorrow it does become a big deal with gusty winds that will reach up to around 60 to perhaps 70 miles per hour at times, and that will continue through Wednesday as well. Our average high temperature is 28 degrees, upper 20s today, then upper 40s Wednesday, lower 40s Thursday. We're back in the lower 30s Friday, upper 40s again Saturday. Another storm system on the way that we'll have to watch. Then upper 20s again Sunday and also in the parts of Monday. For today, upper 20s, mostly cloudy with the wind overall looking nice and calm. Later on tonight, middle 20s, snow likely, some higher totals further off towards the north southeast wind getting up to about 45 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we have upper 40s. That wind shear mix will switch over to all rain with a southeast wind gusting up to around 60 to maybe even 70 miles per hour at times. Here's a look at your extended forecast brought to you by Healing Hands Massage. Will be partly cloudy on Thursday with highs in the lower 40s, lower 30s Friday with a mostly sunny sky. Another wintry mess on the way Saturday with highs in the upper 40s.